In this video, I will show you how to find the root of equation by Newton-Raphson method using calculator. The question is, find the real positive root of the equation x minus cos x is equal to 0 using Newton-Raphson method correct up to 3 decimal places. First of all, we'll reset the Kelsey. For that, press shift and mode, then press 3 equal to. Then we'll fix the Kelsey. Here it is written up to 3 decimal places. I am keeping it up to 4 decimal places. For that, press mode, second time, third time, fourth time and fifth time. Then press 1. Then press 4. So this is fixed up to 4 decimal places. Here f of x is x minus cos x. Firstly, we'll find two values which I call it as a and b, such that f of a is less than 0 and f of b is greater than 0. For that, press alpha, then x minus cos alpha x. Then the other thing that you need to do is, as you can see here, d, that is, the calculator is in degree mode. So we'll have to change that. Press mode, again mode, again mode, and again mode. Then here press 2. That is, we have set it to radian mode. Then this is x minus cos x. Then without pressing any other key, just press CLC. First, I'll input x as 0. Press equal to. So I'm getting f of a as minus 1. Now, I'll input my x value as 1. So I get a positive value. So this will be my b. That is, my f of b is 0.4597. So I have got two values, which is my f of a, that is f of 0, and this is my f of b, that is f of 1. Hence the root will lie between 0 and 1. Then next we'll write a programming in the calculator. In Newton-Raphson method, the iteration is found by using the equation x1 is equal to x0 minus f of x0 upon f dash of x0. So for that, we'll write this programming. For our first iteration, x0 will be equal to 1. That is the value of b. Then c is equal to b minus cos b. That is, x minus cos x is represented by b minus cos b. Then this is f dash of x. That is, f of x is x minus cos x. Then f dash of x will be 1 plus sin x, which will be 1 plus sin b here. And then e is equal to, this is the equation of the iteration. That is, x1 is equal to x0 minus f of x0 upon f dash of x0, which will be represented as e is equal to b which is my x0 minus f of x0, that is c, this is f of x0, and d is f dash of x0. So it will be b minus c upon d. This we have to input in the calculator. Press on, then again press alpha, b, alpha, colon, alpha, c, alpha equal to alpha b minus cos alpha b, again alpha, colon, then alpha d, alpha equal to 1 plus sin alpha b, alpha, colon, and then alpha e, alpha equal to alpha b minus, in bracket I'll write this, alpha c divided by alpha d, then bracket close. After that, press CLC. As we know that we have got our x0 as 1, so I'll place 1 here, b is 1. Then this, I got my f of x, which is coming as 0.4597. Again press equal to. So we get f dash of x, which is 1.8415, again equal to, so I'm getting 0.7504. This is my x1. Again I'll press equal to. Now as we know that we'll have to input this in place of b. So now my b will be 0.7504. Again equal to, then I get f of x as 0.019, f dash of x is 1.6819, and x2 is coming as 0.7391. Same way you can find x3, and here as we get 0.7391, 0.7391, that is x2 and x3 are same up to 3 decimal places, so the root will be 0.739. For performing these programming, you will need the Kelsey FX991 MS. You won't be able to perform it on FX82 MS. Thank you.